Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. I have a microphone for you today. So this is, the company is called Uhuru. It's basically desktop podcast USB microphone. The model is UM910. So this is pretty good microphone for the price. And also you get a stand, a base stand for the desktop, and now I'm filming with my Pixel XL2, so this is the sound from my mobile phone, but I will switch in a minute to have a listen actually the microphone. I'm gonna put the link down below if you want to order this microphone. I purchased the microphone myself, so this is not sponsored video. Let's check it and let's see what comes in the box now. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, so we'll see what comes in the box and then I will assemble the microphone for you. So what we have here, we have a foam that you put on the top of the microphone. We have some useful paper and happy or not happy card. If you're not happy about the product, you can return it. Also, we have the cable, as you can see. We have the stand. Basically, this is the shock mount. This is pretty good, I think. We have some useful. This is for Jack and box therapy. Yeah, who knows? This is the microphone actually, as you can see. The logo Uhuru. I'm gonna put this just for a second here. We need this. Put this in the side. We have a pop filter, pretty good pop filter with the brand actually. I don't know if you can see my mobile phone. And also we have the stand. This is quite heavy stand actually, but it's good. Okay, so now I will switch now the microphone. I will assemble this quickly. It's pretty easy to assemble. I don't know, should I show you or not? Probably you can figure it out yourself. It's pretty easy to set up. You click on the video because you wanna hear and see the test actually. So I will switch now from mobile phone to Uhuru 910 in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so yeah, I'm back now. So the sound that you're listening right now is the Uhuru microphone. I'm recording directly from my MacBook. So yeah, I mean, no editing, no anything that I'm gonna. Basically, this is just raw audio, which I'll upload to my Final Cut Pro. And yeah, this is the audio from the Uhuru microphone. So the pop filter is on the well, this is not the pop filter. The pop filter is here, but I'm gonna use the foam that you put on the top. So I'm going to remove it now just to see properly how it is. So basically, this is helpful if you do like plosive sounds. So yeah, stuff like that. So if you're a professional podcaster, obviously I'm not, but I'm going to remove this now, so at least you can see properly. Yeah, pretty much I think it's pretty straightforward. I don't know, what do you think, guys? I mean, there's no any knobs to turn the volume up and down. There is no a microphone input to monitor yourself. But yeah, other than that, I think it's a pretty good microphone for the money. Also, the stand is pretty straightforward, as you can see, and also the microphone is adjustable, so you can adjust the height. So I think this is better. Now I'm like a professional podcaster. And you have to talk front and back of the microphone. But yeah, I mean, what do you think? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comments down below. Like I said, this is a Uhuru 910 microphone. I'm gonna put the link down below. Actually, I bought this microphone like 2-3 months ago, but I'm doing the review right now because I was busy. Well, I'm still uploading, but yeah, I bought it for 65 pounds, and I think it's like 60 pounds now. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link down below if you want to see yourself. But let me know what you think about the sound. I think the sound is very important. Like I said, I'm filming with my Pixel XL2 now, and the sound is very important. So if you start to do YouTube now, podcasting, or basically anything in terms of video making, the sound is the more important thing. So if the quality of your video is not good, if the sound is 100%, yeah, this is the go. So sometimes the sound is better to have than the quality because we listen. So if this makes sense for you, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Should you buy this microphone or not? What is my verdict? I think for 60 pounds there's a much better choices. But yeah, I think if you're on a budget, but the more important is the sound. So if you're on a budget, I think for 60 pounds is not bad investment. Plus you have adjustable stand, which is good. So if you do like gaming sessions, podcast, and anything in terms of quality of the sound, yeah, it's not bad investment. And for voiceovers is very good, I think. But not bad for the money. I wish, this is main two goals, I think. I wish there's a knob to, well, the knob is not very important for the volume. Sometimes it is, but I think there's no mic input, so I think this is something that I prefer to have. Not all the time I'm gonna monitor myself, but it's a good option. And also there's no mute button, which for some people is good thing to have. But yeah, let me know what do you think, guys. I think it's good for the money, but I just want to see what you're gonna say in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video just a little bit, smash the like button. If not, you know what to do. But yeah, other than that, this is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Now I'm gonna pretend to be a podcaster. So the news for today. Okay, this is I think I'm gonna cut this part. It's not funny. Okay guys, see you later.